Okay, so this now after that I just make it here the beak line, right, like this. One long beak, this birds, long and slim beak over here. Okay, this is very simple. Long and slim beak. Okay, so now we'll go ahead to here. See, after the circle, and here this beak line is coming, no, exactly here you can create the eyes like this. Okay, very simple. Aram se first do this much. Okay, take time. I'm going very fast, so that's why I just wait few minutes, and so you can slowly can do. Okay, fine. Now after that, see here, from here I can create that the birds. Here is some these things. Okay, just see these things on top. Okay, so what I'm doing, these things we are making like this. Okay, like okay, like this. So this in top of. Okay, so like this way. Okay, this is the way. Okay, this is very interesting, this birds, and in top it is a dark color. Okay, some feather in top is a dark. Okay, like this. So we can make it some feather. Okay, like this, and create some in this bird beak. Create some insects. Some this bird is very big size. Okay, it is some something like this character. Okay, in this mouth. This bird is eating, this looks good, but not eating flower or like fruits and all. They eating the insects, small animals also. Okay, so you can go ahead that much only.
Very bad insect. I don't like this insect.
Yeah. He is scared, no, this insect. No, this kind of not lizard. It is actually in jungle. It's some this kind of girgiti. What's this? Color changing the skin. No, what's the name? This. Yeah, chameleon kind of things. Yeah, chameleon exactly. So we are making first scenery. Like a drawing like this nicely. We're just making like this line, proper line, the big. Let's wait a like this. Now can do more slowly. Okay, like this. And from here only start this part, small bit feather. See, just how to make. I make like this. The feather part. Like this. Okay. Yes. So you can create the insects over here. Okay, once. Tell me, beta, please. Yeah. Brush pin. No, you are. Yeah, that's what's happening with her. Yeah, I also doing, but it's not at all fading. So if you're using the Camlin brush pen only, use the you use the Camlin artist. Okay, so you just after the drawing you wait few minutes to dry fully. Otherwise it is a little spade, but you not do after water, then not use. First you use dry, then you use water. Just check it out. Now is low. Beta. Hello. Yes, my voice is low now. Yeah. Okay, fine. So we are making some small strokes. This is some tree actually, tree branch. This is some. Okay, I wait more 2-3 minutes. Okay, don't worry. I just stop. Okay, so you can finish now. Just make it because it's time, otherwise we're not complete. I can send that link, video link also, so you can get it. Yes, beta. We are make something like this. This bird's feather is on top of head. It is very interesting, right? Feather is top of heads, like peacock also the same kind of, but peacock feather is very small and looks good. This bird is looks no very keen of like that. Okay, let's we can start that. Before start the coloring, I just erasing this inside the line, whatever pencil line drawings we're doing over here, you can erase it. Okay, so it's a help loop. Lot. Okay. Take time, no problem. Okay, take time. So basically this top parts top part should be yes. That is a yellow. This is a crimson. This crimson yellow, cream yellow. Because we are making. Yeah, it is a dark yellow, the golden yellow. Using this yellow and red. So its color is coming. Yellow and red. Okay. We are creating yellow and
Please remove your hand for 1 minute.
okay.
Thank you, sir. I have said for now.
Okay. So we are going to this bird is almost the color is brownish orange color kind of. So we are making that much color, it is not more than that. Okay. You can do this much. Like this. We are making this part is a little darker. Okay. आराम से टेक टाइम. Make your best. You can make some extra line, extra force line I'm using. like this. Okay, you can create some extra, add some line. Whipping some, sketching with the pen and ink. So this ink and paints if you are little. You can make some strokes here and there. There's a beak. Okay, some detailing. Okay, some.
Sir, it is still blending.
It is still. Sorry, beta.
Sir, the color, the brush pen is still blending up.
What brush pen use, beta? This you. This.
Don't get
Okay, Dom brush pen. It's maybe it's you can if you. It's very simple. Only Xerox paper. It is better. It is just Xerox paper. It's not much. It is just Xerox. No, it's just Xerox paper only, beta. It is very simple. Okay, market. It's only 10 rupees, 10 paisa. You know, not rupees. It's very. It is not that much costly. It is. I'm not using watercolor paper at all. This is for this drawing. Okay, this. Maybe this, yeah, whatever finish can show, please. This is nice. We are showing. I'm crazy to see your drawing. Okay, all of your drawing. Okay. Wow, Christina, fantastic shading, beta. Show Niharika, Akhilesh, beta. Show yours. Shreya, Sumedha. Yeah. Shatwaki. To finish, you can after that do showing Srijani. Srinjoy beta. Sangita, Adriti. Okay. Take time. Not no problem.
Sir, this is my work.
Wow. Yeah, this. Really awesome.
Sir, the feathers part got a little bit smudged, so I had left it without paint would have been better.
We are doing. This is the little gray color you can put. Nothing most color because we are not focused that much. This we are creating some dots. Okay, orange dots like this. Okay, red, orange dots. We can use some Prussian blue. This is just one gray color kind of. We are using this little bit of brown color over here.
So which color did you sprinkle?
This branch is brown, the log color, and this is I using this Prussian blue, little bit of. Yeah, it's absolutely fine.